Bonjour, bonjour, mes amis. I am Jessie and I run a blog titled Cappuccinos and Consignment, where I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. Or as I'd like to say, I am fluent in Fendi French and finance. I am here today with a quick, review, backstory, just chit chat about the elusive. It's not elusive. Nothing with Louis Vuitton is elusive anymore. I'm waiting for them to open up a factory in Anacostia. If you know, you know. But the pumps, the Madeleines, I fell in love with these pumps. In fact, I looked for these shoes for, I want to say, 2 years. The husband and I, we were in Milan and I looked for them, couldn't find it anywhere. In Paris, could not find them. I want to say Berlin. There was another country, I can't remember. Madrid city. In Madrid, could not find them. I had all but given up. I really did. On a trip home, we were on the way home, decided to stop in London for a bit. Hey, Estelle, American boy. Stopped in London for a bit and minding my business. Truly, I was minding my business. We were at the airport and walked by a Louis Vuitton. I said, oh, let's take a gander. And I mean, I truly just set out to take a gander because I did some damage in Madrid. I'll have to show that video later. But yeah, so went in, I'm looking around, saw the Madeleines. They had my size. I'm like, oh my goodness. And at this point, I was done. I said, no more shopping. I am done. But then I couldn't resist. So I said, you know what? I have to show restraint and control. I'm done. Party's over. Left. The husband saw me moping. I'm like, you know what? If it's meant to be, I'll find it next lifetime. Those were my exact words. He said, go back and get the shoes. No, 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 no. This is the dialogue. No, 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 no. It's done. It's over. I didn't find them while, on my shopping campaign. I have to let it go. So I didn't make a decision. I did what I do whenever I am forced to, I'm just in like a difficult space when I can't make a decision, which is often. I flipped a coin. Yeah. But I didn't do it because I felt, I just had too much anxious energy. I couldn't do it on my own. Lo and behold, a little Harry Potter was there. Truly, it was a little Harry Potter. There was a little girl, the cutest. Her name was Caroline. Caroline was dressed as Harry Potter, I swear. So I went to her. I said, oh my goodness, can you please do me a favor? Can you flip this coin? Of course, her mother's like, hello. Introduced myself to the mother, gave Carolyn the coin. This was the euro, so there is no heads or tails. No, I was using the euro, even though we were in the UK. Nonetheless, we said, okay, this side is get the shoes, this side is not. Carolyn flipped the coin. It landed on me to buy the shoes. I screamed. I mean, it was the scream heard around Heathrow. That's how loud it was. We ran back so quick to get the shoes. I turned around. Carolyn was there. Her mother was there. We celebrated. I told the SA what happened. The manager came from the back, popped a new bottle of Moet. So Carolyn's mom, the husband, and I, we are toasting. And I got them to give Carolyn her like Perrier and a flute, because that's what I do with Juju the camera kid when we're shopping. So I got them. I was so excited. Here, oh, I forgot to show them in case you didn't know. I was so excited to have found them. So a review. It's square toe. That's truly not my style. I am more of a pointy toe kind of gal, but let me do it this way. It's this. It's so gaudy. I love it. And it's, the canvas, the monogram. I absolutely love it. But here's the thing. I do not wear them often. I don't wear them often. I don't know, one, if it's the pointy toe because it's just not my style, or the real reason, I'm just terrified because I don't want to get them scuffed up. And that's crazy because when I spend these amounts of money on anything, I want to get my money's worth. And I feel that I have not gotten my money's worth with these because I'm so scared to wear them. And with shoes with the Louis Vuitton, unless like a heel falls off or perhaps this, they're not going to repair it because it's considered just normal wear and tear, which is true. It's a shoe. But I find myself like wanting the husband to put me on his back and carry me around when I have these on because I don't want to get them scuffed. Like, this isn't a shoe I can just get a shoe marker or something to repair. So with that, would I do it again? Probably, because I'm just a glutton for punishment. But truly, I don't know if I would, because I have not enjoyed these to its fullest potential, because I'm literally tiptoeing. Well, no, not tiptoeing, because I don't want to put a crease here. I'm floating. I'm floating. It's like a Spike Lee joint. I just need to be, you know, how Spike Lee on the movies. Okay, maybe not. Nonetheless, yeah, I love them. I love looking at them, if that's any consolation. Perhaps it's just me. If you don't care about those kind of things, then go for it. But I believe they are still sold out. I know in the States they are still sold out. I'm uncertain in the EU. The last I checked, in Madrid and Milan, I believe they're still sold out. But, I mean, Google it. What do you think, Mezzamine? Do you love them? Would you be afraid to wear them? Do you have them? Or any, like, LV monogram shoe? Like, how do you take care of them? I need to know all of this. I hope that you all are well, and I do hope that you enjoyed this just rant. Yeah. Alrighty. Ciao for now. Coin. We flipped a coin to decide if I was going to buy them or not.
It's a big decision.
It's a huge decision. We decided. I'll take that. It's on here.